Happy Sabbath. My title is All Encompassing and Inseparable. God's love is unbreakable and unchanging. As we see in Romans 8, verse 38 to 39, nothing in all creation, not life or death, angels or demons, the present or the future, can separate us from His love. It is not dependent on performance, emotions, or circumstances, but on God's faithful and constant character. His love reaches into the deepest places of human brokenness. No shame, failure, regret, or sin is too great for God to restore and redeem. When guilt tries to condemn and darkness tries to overwhelm, God's love brings forgiveness, healing, and hope. Ultimately, God's love is eternal, all-encompassing, and inseparable. Something we not earn or fall out of, but something we